friends, I'm Meghna Thomas and welcome back to our channel Golden Epaulettes Aviation Pilot Training Academy, your route to the cockpit. In my video today, I am going to be giving you some tips for you to attempt your verbal reasoning questions that are usually a part of your written examination, either for your Cadet pilot program selection or your regular airline selection process. As you all know, the Cadet pilot program vacancies are just around the corner, and so are the regular vacancies for the airlines. So let's help you with the verbal reasoning exams that will happen. A verbal reasoning test is conducted to test your understanding and your verbal comprehension skills. So this is also indirectly a test of your English language skills, as the questions might contain some words which, if you've not had English language as your first language or second language, you might find it a little difficult to understand. So the airlines usually use the verbal reasoning test as the initial process of their selection procedure. So this is something that you can practice in order to improve your performance. A verbal reasoning test consists of a paragraph of a text. So in this you will be instructed to read a text followed by studying some statements that are given below. So what you have to do here is you have to say whether the statements are true, false, or you're unable to determine. These tests are typically completed under pressurized time constraints. It is very common that you will not be able to answer the questions in the time allotted. The rules can vary from test to test, but you should be careful if you're rushing through to finish all your questions, because some questions might be negatively marked. So here it is usually better if you work quickly but accurately rather than finishing all your questions but getting most of them wrong. Now the next point is you should not use any of your previous knowledge that you have to answer these questions. You just have to use the information given to you in the text, because the statements given below are just the answers to what are mentioned in the text. For example, if in the paragraph it is mentioned that the sky is green and the following statement says that the sky is blue, there you will say that the statement is wrong, because as per the paragraph it is mentioned that the sky is green. A little bit of a suggestion over here: while you tackle this examination, read the statements before you read your text. So this will allow you to understand what is the information that you're looking for, and you can answer the question when you have ascertained the information for the same. Do not waste your time reading the entire paragraph, rather go through the statements first. So you might not have to eventually read the entire paragraph, you might just finish it off in the first few sentences. So these, my friends, were some tips for you to attempt your verbal reasoning questions. I hope you find these tips easy and interesting. And for more such videos, keep following our channel Golden Epaulettes Aviation. Come, let's fly!